Instead of thinking about on, people are more curious about digging into other graves, like what they want to do, how well they are doing in their life. It doesn't matter how hard they have been facing. Instead of working on their self, they always like to look onto others. They want to know about others career plan and future goals, what they want to do in their future. Likewise, whenever I goes outside home, people always ask me about my dreams, my goals, and what are the future plans I have been planning for my future. And if I be honest and talk with my full honesty, then I don't have those fancy kind of dream where I want to buy expensive cars, different types of watches, clothes, and other kind of stuff. The only thing I always dream before going to sleep is I want to retire my parents as soon as possible I can do. I want to make them sit and enjoy their retirement life. It is because my parents are in their late 50s and soon they are going to be in their 60s, and every time I look at them going out to earn money and support for the family, I feel guilty of myself. And if you are a person who is like me, then you can feel the pain behind looking your parents, although they are old and time about to retire in their working life, still they have to go outside and work for money to support their family. It's really harmful to watch. That's why the only dream I always dream about is to retire my family as soon as possible. And it's not about I do not want to buy those things. If I can earn in future and that will be possible, then I will definitely buy those things. But at the current situation, if I talk about that, then I don't have to for myself. I don't want to do anything for myself. I only want to do for my family. It might be sound really childish to talking like this and talking about these things, but this is the only thing that I always look to do, and I will definitely do because I have believe on myself. I have faith on myself that I am capable of doing that things. Although currently I am struggling for any everything and I am not able to earn anything and support my family, but one day I will be the one who will be the principal of earning of my family. That's why I have been grinding myself to achieve something in my life.